Two options are available: the CRF1100L Africa Twin with standard Showa suspension, and the CRF1100L Africa Twin electronic suspension, which features Showa electronically equipped ride adjustment, Showa EI. Showa EI offers optimized damping in all riding conditions, as well as the ability to change rear spring preload on the move. The CRF1100L Africa Twin electronic suspension also includes an ACC charging socket and heated grips as standard, just like its CRF1100L Africa Twin Adventure Sport sibling. Both Africa Twin variants share a rugged steel frame, CRF1100R a derived aluminium swingarm, chassis geometry, suspension travel and ground clearance. Tubeless tires allow for easier repairs without the need to remove the wheel. A 6-axis inertial measurement unit (IMU) controls not only the 7-level HSTC but also 3-level wheelie control, cornering ABS, with off-road setting, rear lift control and DCT cornering detection. There are 4 default riding modes: urban, tour, gravel and off-road. Tailored for complete control, the riding position features a slim section seat and high-set handlebars. Dual LED daytime running lights, DRL, give optimum visibility, improving safety, and cruise control is a standard fit. Also, to make long-range road riding more comfortable, the aggressively styled front fairing mounts a 5-way adjustable screen for maximum forward visibility or increased wind protection depending on rider choice. A full-color multi-information display, mid 6.5-inch TFT touchscreen brings immersive engagement with the machine systems, plus Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Bluetooth connectivity. With the 24YM updates concentrating on increasing torque in the most used low, mid, and upper mid-range, the 1084 cubic centimeters, 8-valve parallel twin engine produces 75 kilowatts at 7,500 revolutions per minute with peak torque of 112 Nm at 500 RPM. Bore is set at 92 mm with 81.5 mm stroke and compression ratio of 10.5 to 1. 35 mm airbox intake ducts draw air to twin, length-optimized internal trumpets. 46 mm throttle bodies feed the inlet ports and the bore and cylinder pitches are aligned to create a smooth air intake profile. The injector angle delivers a direct spray into the twin-spark combustion chambers. Honda's SOHC Unicam valve train is a feature of the MX competition specification CRF1100R. And the low-set position of the cast camshaft contributes to the compact nature of the cylinder head and entire engine package. Inlet valves are 10.1 mm in diameter, exhaust valves 9.3 mm, aluminium cylinder sleeves save weight while the 270 degrees phased crankshaft and uneven firing interval create the engine's desirable signature throb and character. The 24YM update saw the introduction of a reshape of the 270 degrees crankshaft, reshaped and reinforced conrod and 0.4 mm longer piston, which also featured a reshaped piston surface crown for optimal ignition and engine performance. The crankcases are split horizontally. The water pump is housed efficiently within the clutch casing with a thermostat integrated into the cylinder head. Manual and DCT versions of the engine share common crankcases with only minor external differences. The water and oil pumps are both driven by the engine's balancer shafts.